Артем Mukhtarovazov. This is our English study room. If you want to improve your pronunciation, you'll work here. Also, we'll teach you to talk, to be creative, to be independent, to be active in students' life. Welcome to our English department, dear school graduates. Learn English and understand the world. If you want to speak in English fluently and communicate with foreigners, come to our college and join with us. You have a dream? You want to be a successful, creative, well-educated teacher? You can achieve such dreams in our college. Come and join with us.
You are welcome to our English practice room. Go English! Equipment with modern technologies in the classroom where your opportunity to work with Oxford Cambridge Assessment. In our college, cooperate with Nazarbayev Intellectual School Foreigners. We organize a Conversation Club. In Conversation Club, our students develop speaking, reading, listening habits. Dear students, I'm sure you should be a good teacher of English. Welcome to our English department.
Dear applicants, welcome to the auditorium named after Dorukhan Hasanovic, a college graduate, poet, publicist, and public figure. In this classroom, students get acquainted with the founders of foreign children's literature and their works. If you are goal-oriented, hardworking, and creative, don't miss your opportunity and apply now. Our teachers will help you to improve.
Әлемдік тең жақсы сөйлейтін, тілді жетік меңгеріп қана қоймай, ағылшын тілінің нағыз маманы болуды қалайсың ба? Олай болса, keep calm and follow us. Қос мәдениетті меңгерген білімді ағылшын тілі маман даярлау үшін, ағылшын тілін оқытуды неғұрлым проблемаға бағыттап, рефлексивті тәсілді кең қолдана отырып, білім алушының дербес түрде оқуына жағдай тудырып, жаңашыл тұрғыда қарауға үйретеміз.